Coronavirus is spreading rapidly in Iran, where government officials are among the dead. Schools and universities have been shut, and Iranian authorities have set up checkpoints to limit travel between major cities.
We are forming a committee to legally confront officials and ordinary people who hide their disease or do not follow the precautions to avoid transmission to others. These people will face punishments and fines.
Nearby Iraq has far fewer cases of coronavirus than Iran, but it has put strict travel restrictions on its nationals.
Iraqis are banned from travelling to China, Iran, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Singapore, Italy, Kuwait and Bahrain. We are also halting the entry of arrivals from the Kingdom of Bahrain and the State of Kuwait until further notice.
The Palestinian Authority has banned foreign tourists from West Bank hotels after 4 hospitality workers were diagnosed with the virus in Bethlehem.
The most important recommendation is to close all the historical and tourist sites, including the Church of Nativity. We ordered all the Palestinian hotels to cancel all their bookings for the next 14 days.
In Thailand, all mail coming from abroad is treated with disinfectant, but the World Health Organization says not all countries are doing enough to contain the spread.
We're concerned that some countries have either not taken this seriously enough or have decided there is nothing they can do. We're concerned that in some countries, the level of political commitment and the actions that demonstrate that commitment do not match the level of the threat we all face.
In South Korea, which is the country with the highest number of infections outside China, few people are venturing outside.
It's like Dead City. Around 9 p.m. there are no cars on the road. I went to the supermarket and there were fewer than 10 people in that big store.
It's also quiet in Italy, the worst affected country in Europe. It's predicted the virus will deliver an $8.5 billion loss to the national tourism sector.
There are already cancellations of bookings for 2021. Easter is gone. We hope things will improve in the summer.
The aviation industry is taking a major hit as carriers, including Lufthansa, run slimmed-down timetables. UK company Flybe went into administration on Thursday, partly blaming a slump in passengers.
We're expecting to see losses in excess of $60 billion in revenues for the industry, which is around about 11% of global passenger revenue.
And on Thursday, the confirmation of a new front in the war against the virus. A dog in Hong Kong has been diagnosed with a low-level infection. It's thought it caught the virus from a human, but it's still not known if the dog can pass the disease back to humans or onto other animals. Sarah Morice, TRT World.